So Aspire is performance with different ensembles such as dance, drama, vocals, design with students all around the Maitland-Newcastle Diocese, and it's very, very fun.
It's just a diverse community, so you get to learn everyone's story. Fantastic.
Some of my best friends I've ever had, I've met through Aspire. You meet people that you never would have met otherwise.
You get so excited. There's no words to describe it. It's fantastic.
It's like a rush that's like addictive that always wants you to do more shows and keep being involved in performing.
There's no feeling like it. Like when you get up there on the stage and there's like the lights and there's all the people in front of you, it all just comes over you and it's like, wow. I would have never been on the Civic Theatre at all if it weren't for Aspire. It's really grown me as a performer.
All the opportunities I've been given, it's just made me more confident as a performer and helped me to discover my own passions.
Discover your local Catholic school today. It's school plus so much more.